I've completed the ICT Billet accessory swap. Got some cheapo injectors from Amazon. This motor's 02. The injectors, man, I think one of them was stuck. You could just tell because the exhaust on one side was just spitting everywhere. We got the unicorn intake. It's not bad, but man, it just sounds so good. It just sounds smooth. I think the new injectors did it on the 79 5.3 swap. We got a bigger intake here. As you can tell, this is a step down. So we're gonna have to move our unicorn intake somewhere over here. This is where we got a relay. We use a O2 relay box with a O2 ECU. I'm gonna try to move them somewhere right about here, right in front of the brake booster. Other than that, this runs great. No AC. With a power glide, I think she'll do fine. Just, man, just listen to that.